Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to make an emotional afrobeat using acoustic guitars. If you know what to do, hit the subscribe button down below and let's get started. So the plug we'll be using is called Ample Guitar 12, alright? So let's drag in and drop some chords from the Institute's MIDI chord pack, which you can get from the link in the description below. Super affordable with lots of chords for making high quality afrobeats that sound really good. So now let's preview a chord. Okay, I think I like this one. So I'm going to just double it up so it sounds fuller and more interesting, just to another octave. EQ a little bit. Alright, so now we're going to add a melody. Let's record that. I think the guitar is sounding more interesting with this effect. Just using a simple reverb, EQ, and a phaser can make your guitar sound a whole lot more interesting. Alright, so let's add another guitar melody. So just quantized. And of course, render and replace. So now let's add a counter melody with an electric piano. Let's record that. Okay, so let's add some drums. Let's create the drums from scratch. Add a shaker loop. All right, so let's add some ambient melodies. Let's record that in. Render and replace that as well. Let's record that too. So let's hear it and see how it sounds so far. All right, so that's pretty much it for now, right? I'm going to go ahead later on and spread it all and make a proper intro, a proper verse, and a proper hook out of just this simple structure. You don't need to have a ton of things. Maybe I may add a bass line and some drum rolls, but aside that, I don't really think I'm going to add much more to this beat. If you found this helpful for making Afro beats with guitars, a lot of people do use electric guitars, but I try to use acoustic guitar because of the emotion it carries and to say it turn and I think it's turning out fine. So if you find this helpful, please leave me with a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below to keep up with more tutorials, tips, tricks. Cheers. I remain Sir Classy.